In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a concept map in Confluence Cloud using draw.io. This is a helpful tool for visually organizing information, making it easier for you and your team to understand complex ideas. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to create one of these maps quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Add Page section in your Confluence workspace. Think of this as the blank canvas where you'll begin crafting your idea. Once you're there, give your page a suitable title, something like table structure or whatever makes sense for your project. Naming your page helps you and others easily remember and access it later on, so choose something clear and descriptive. Next, in the page editor, type in idraw.io and click on the option that pops up. This shortcut is an efficient way to bring up the draw.io feature without having to dig through menus. With the draw.io interface open, you'll see an option to insert a draw.io board. Go ahead and click that, which will give you a space where you can start visualizing your concept map. Now let's head over to the settings. You'll find this by clicking on the three lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Hover over to the settings menu, and from the drop-down, select Copy to Connect. This step is important as it prepares the tool for you to start building your map. Here's where the fun really begins, as you can start creating your concept map using the variety of tools available in Draw.io. You'll see options for lines, shapes, text, and colors, everything you need to turn your abstract thoughts into a structured visual representation. Feel free to experiment with the layout, ensuring that the connections between each idea or piece of information make sense and flow logically. This visual clarity will be crucial for those who will be referencing your concept map later on. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you'll want to click on Publish. This doesn't just save your work, but it makes it accessible for others who have access to your Confluence space, allowing them to view and collaborate on the map if needed. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in a file name, pick something intuitive and relevant to the content of your map, and then click on Save. This finalizes the process and safely stores your concept map for future reference. And there you have it, a complete concept map ready to be used and shared in your Confluence Cloud environment. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively leverage draw.io to visualize and communicate complex information. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your future projects!